Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change the Ask page title on the Tumblr app using your phone. This is a simple process that allows you to personalize your Tumblr profile and make it easier for your followers to interact with you. First, open the Tumblr app on your mobile device. Next, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then, in the top right corner, tap on the settings icon. Scroll down through the options until you find the Ask Page Title section. Click on it to open the text field where you can enter your desired Ask Page title. After entering the title you want, make sure to click on the Save button at the top right corner of the screen to confirm your changes. This will update your Ask Page title, making it visible to anyone who visits your Tumblr profile and wants to ask you questions. Finally, check your profile to ensure that the title has been updated correctly and reflects the information you want to share. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with others who might find it helpful. Thanks for watching.